So the first command is cat. Suppose we have a file. The content is AAA, BBB, CCC, and DDD. So display this file content. You can see. Let's make another file. ABCD 1, 2, 3, 4. Cat test 2. Okay. So this is a cat display the file content to the terminal. So the next command is cd. So cd is used to change the directory. So usage is cd with directory. So let's go to the desktop. So right now we are in the desktop. Go back. Go to the pictures. So we are under the pictures. Go back. In the home directory. So that's cd used to change the directory. So next is clear. Clear is to clear the command line in the terminal, like this. So this is nothing new. So next is cp, command cp, copy file and directory. So suppose we want to copy the test into a.txt. You can see right here we have the original text file and a.txt. So the content, they're all the same. Okay, all the same. So this is the copy. So you can see the usage, copy files and directory. So you can have a few options. And the first input is the source, and second one is the destination. So just now we show copy two files. Next, let's show copy a folder. Okay, we need option R. So you can see we have two folders. One is music, one is music 2. Remove music 2. Okay, that's copy. So next is ls. So ls is used to list the directory content. So for example, ls, it lists all the files and all the folders under the current directory. So this is the list, ls command. And the next is create a new directory. So let's take a look. So this command is mkdir, make directory. So for example, in the current folder, we want to make a new directory named operating system, OS. So you can see right here, just create a new directory. So let's make a directory. So let's just remove it. Okay, not there anymore. So next is MV. So this command is to use move the files or rename the files. So you can see that usage is like this: MV with some options, source and destination. So suppose we want to, so we create a folder here, and we want to rename it or move the OS into another name. Let's say OS2. So we can do it like this. Okay. So as you can see that the OS is this folder OS is renamed to OS2. Okay, so that's MV. So next command is pwd. So pwd, this one is very simple, just output the current working directory. So for example, pwd, this is our current directory, /home/administrator. And if we go to like downloads, pwd, so you can see this is the new current directory. So this is pwd. Next is remove. Suppose we want to remove a file. So let's say we want to remove a.txt, and then it removes, just remove. So you can see a.txt is no longer here. And we can also use this command remove to delete a directory. So suppose we want to remove the OS2 folder. So we need to use rm-r. So you can see right here that this folder is removed. So let's take a look. So this command rm is to remove the files and directories, and we use the option -r. So this one is used to remove the directory and their content recursively. Okay, so if you want to remove a single file, you don't need any option, but if you need to remove a folder, you need the -r. So this is a remove, and the next command is remove dir. So let's just take a look. So this command is used to remove the empty directory. Okay, so let's just make a new directory. So here you can see this is our new directory, and it's empty, so we want to remove it. So just use the command remove dir test. Yeah, it's removed. So remove dir, the effect is the same as rm-r. So this is the delete, how to delete a directory. And next, the command is top. So this command is to display the Linux processes. Just type top. So you can see here, it just show you all the current running thread or process in the Linux OS. Okay. And you can see this column just show you the current CPU utilization and also current memory usage. So this is the top to display the resources being used by your OS. And the next one is touch. So touch is used to change the file timestamp. But in many cases, we use touch to create an empty file with some specific file name. So the usage of touch is something like if we want to create a new file and this file is empty, and let's say we want to create a file A or B.txt. So you can see here we have a new file named B.txt, and the content you can see nothing. Okay, so which means that we just create a new empty file. So we can use the touch command to create a new file. And the next time when you want to edit the new file, so you can just find the file and double click and write anything you want in it. Okay, so the touch here is used to create a new empty file. And the last command is who. So this command is very simple, just to show who is logged on, who is the current user. So because for this virtual machine, the current user is the administrator. So when I input the who, so you can see it just show me the user.